Yeajin and my English name is Jina. I'm from South Korea and I've done English course here, which is fast track, and I finally passed, so I'm going back to Korea this Sunday. And I'm doing TFTS next year, so I'm very excited. To be honest, I enjoyed, but I was under a lot of pressure because it was fast track, so I needed to make a high score in short term, so it was really pressure for me. But I enjoyed and I passed. It's important. First of all, I like the quiet place because I live in city back in Korea, so I prefer countryside than city, and there's no crime here. Yeah. And I go to church every Sunday, and people are really nice and they serve food and drinks. That's important. And I learned how to communicate with British people because of those kind of people in church. Yeah. I highly recommend, because even though it was like pressure for me, because of I was doing fast track, I made lots of effort. I think more than others, because I lived in library whole day, even though it was Easter break. Yeah. Teachers were really nice, and first time I came here, I thought they were really like cool people, because I didn't really talk to foreigners when I was in Korea, so I thought that every foreigners are cold and like that, but they were really kind and they were open to teach us, and so I could ask lots of questions. Honestly, I wanted to make film before I came here, but I changed while I was doing my course, because I learned how to read the text and analyze. So I think I'm gonna do analyzing stuff. I'm more interested in analyzing more than like producing